Hi guys, welcome to my homeschool. So guys, that was my favorite song.
Best believe people Sauti Soul had to make that intro. Now let's jump into some more serious stuff.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So, with the measures announced to extend the COVID-19 lockdown, this homeschooling episode will be covering virtual learning and sharing tips on resources available for students to leverage during lockdown. Every day for us is customized based on a timetable that we've drawn at home and that is shared from school. Every day presents a different learning experience, and we are happy that the government took measures together with the Ministry of Education and Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development to launch a TV channel that actually enables students all the way from kindergarten to high school to learn virtually through the channels available on TV and radio.
And what are we going to draw? We are going to draw sound. How many of them? 8. Okay? Let us draw sound B and we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
There are tons of learning resources on the portal that is kicd.co.ke that students from across all age groups, starting from kindergarten all the way to high school, can leverage on, as well as parents' management skills on child discipline, listening skills, and just general management. Remmy also takes advantage of the daily Edu TV lessons, which go a long way in keeping her educationally equipped.
So how many objects for number 6? 6 objects. And what are we going to draw there? We are going to draw cups. We start and we count.
This current episode is for pre-primary 1, that is PP1 students. They usually have across, like I said, from PP1, PP2, all the way from grade 1 to grade 8, and even high schoolers. So the lessons are available across the day, different schedules, and the timetable, like I said, is available on their portal.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. What number is this? Number 9. So how many objects for number 9? 9 objects. And what are we going to draw here? We are going to draw sticks. So we are going to draw how many sticks? 9 sticks. We draw as we count.
As you can see, the lesson is quite interactive and she's really enjoying it.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Have you drawn 9 sticks?
Yes.
Let us count now. 1.
Edu TV is available on channel 847 on GoTV, and the timetable is available on their website kicd.co.ke.
Very good.
I'll insert a snippet of the timetable in the course of this video for you to be able to
Number 3
see.
in your book. So how many objects for number 3? 3 objects. And what are we going to draw? We are going to draw apples. You're going to draw apples. So how many apples? 3.
For the record, this episode is not sponsored by either of the entities mentioned yet. Just thought of sharing for parents and students to benefit during this demanding time.
This is number 1. So what are we going to draw here? 1 book. We draw 1 book from number 1 to number 9. And then stick it in your scrapbook. This marks the end of our lesson today. Until next time, bye.
Genius. You learned?
I've learned about 4 and then we write 4 balls.
There is the homework. You do number cutouts from 1 to 9 and stick on your scrapbook.
Scrapbook.
Have you enjoyed your online class
Yes.
with teacher Stella?
Yes.
Okay, good.
That was PP1.
And you're in PP2. But it's good because you've learned, eh?
Yes.
That channel is called Edu Channel and it's good for children. So besides the Zoom classes that they usually have online, we also tune into Edu Channel on 847 on GoTV to learn also supplementary from what they learn in class. Come and show us what you've drawn. Oh, you can see Chanel has drawn balls, cats, stars, trees, letter B,
Cups
cups, sticks, and apples, and a book. Ah, good. And she was drawing alongside the teacher.
Hi guys, this channel also has lessons for grade 1 to grade 8. Tusome pamoja.
Here's a snippet of the timetable, and like I mentioned, the channels are available both on radio and television and are cut across the day, so from 6 a.m. all the way till 6 p.m. I believe, and for all grades and students. So this one is for the June calendar, and you can see it's approved by Ministry of Education. You can see the next lesson is for grade 6, and they are learning about types of soil erosions in depth with a different teacher, and so the sequences go on like that.
Fine, thank you, Teacher Lucy. No? Yes.
Next up is the Zoom lesson, and the topic is on environmental, so let's see what the teacher has in store for them.
They want to see what the meaning happened, what happens if you cover the plant. See, Jamania is this experiment in our school.
Yes.
Yes. Jamania experiment and tell me explain more. But today we are going to learn about animals. Look at these animals. Where are they found?
At home.
At home. Who is them? They are names. Don't tell me their names. They are called what? Animals found at home.
Domestic.
Domestic.
Good Chanel, they are called domestic animals. Can you say
Clap for yourself.
Animals.
Domestic animals.
Flowers for Chanel. The Zoom classes usually run for about 30 minutes or so she'll be done and then proceed to take a break.
Yay! 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 Yay!
Why is the goat on your book?
Teacher, when I go shopping, I see goat and sheep and a cow.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So what have you learned on your Zoom class?
I learned about domestic animals.
What about domestic animals?
Sound.
The sound they make and their spelling and their
Spelling.
So in your lesson today for domestic animals, you've been told the homework is to read the story of one domestic animal, and your storybook is?
Ugly duckling.
Is a duck a domestic animal?
Yes.
Okay, so you'll read the storybook and then you'll tell me. And then next time when you have your Zoom class, you've been told you're the one to tell the class the story of the ugly duckling, okay?
Yes.
Be able
Yes.
to tell us the story?
Not this many.
You will read and then you'll read
Half of it.
a half of it.
Yes.
But me,
Yeah.
up to there.
Yes.
What happened to the ugly duckling?
the ugly duckling.
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
Okay.
Once upon a time,
Mhm.
six ducks
Mhm.
was hatched.
Was hatched. Uh-huh.
And then
Mm-hmm.
the next page,
Mm-hmm. All the 6 ducks were color.
yellow, and one
Mm.
was color gray
Okay.
and was big.
Okay.
And the mother duck said,
Mm-hmm.
"What?
Mm-hmm. Is this my chick? Is this my duckling? Really?
I don't know." And then
Mm.
the
Show us.
the gray duckling
Mm-hmm.
was
Mm.
swimming well.
Oh, it was swimming better than the other chicks, right?
And yes,
Uh-huh.
and then
Mm.
the duck said,
Mm-hmm.
the mother duck said,
Mm.
and then
Mm.
the gray duckling
Mm.
was crying and the horse was laughing.
Why was the horse laughing at the grey duck?
I don't know.
You know, it's because he was different. He was looking different,
Mm.
and the other chicks, the other ducklings, and the other farm animals laughed at him. They even beat him. They beat him and did what else to him? They laughed at him, like what
Yes.
the horse is doing. Show us how the horse is laughing at him. Is the horse laughing at him?
Yes.
And then
And
then he cried and left. Show us how the duck is crying. So it was crying, eh?
Yes.
Oh, poor duckling.
I got in the other page.
Yes. So it left. It left the farm, eh?
Yes, and then came to the
Mm.
moor.
It went to another farm, eh?
Yes.
Called a moor.
Yes.
And then there it found what? Found other farm animals.
Yes.
So in the other farm animals,
Mm.
what did they do to him? They also laughed at him, eh? So what did the other farm animals tell the grey duckling?
They said,
Mm.
"You're grey.
You are grey and?
You're grey and you're
Mm-hmm.
ugly."
Oh, they told him he's ugly.
Yes.
So he was also rejected there. Why are you laughing? You're laughing at him. It's not funny. You don't laugh at someone because they're ugly, okay?
Okay.
That is the lesson that we are being taught by this book. Okay.
Yes.
The next page, after they laughed at him because he was different, what did he do? He went to a house and found what? A nice lady.
Yes.
The nice lady did what?
Did
Show us. Mm-hmm. The nice lady.
the nice lady look at this?
And the nice lady also had which other domestic animal in her house?
A cat and a hen.
Oh, there was a hen and a cat.
And then the lady
Mm-hmm.
was holding
Mm.
the duck like this.
Wow.
I don't know. And the cat is doing like this. It's laughing.
Oh, they became friends.
No, see. They're not friendly.
Oh, she wanted to. Let me see. Oh, she wanted to eat the duck. Oh my God, the duck had a very bad life, eh?
Yes.
And then the next page,
And then you went out to look at the birds.
that were flying in the sky.
Yes.
And then he was wishing that he was like them.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
One day
Mm-hmm.
he went to a cold snow.
Uh-huh.
And then it was cold.
He was feeling cold.
And
Uh-huh.
freezing.
And freezing. And then,
And then
uh-huh.
I got the next page.
Yes. You're telling me the story.
And then
Mm-hmm.
one day we wake up and became a bird.
A big bird,
bird.
a swine.
Yes, this is a duck.
There, that is the grey duck, imagine. The grey duck, the grey ugly duck, the one that you were laughing at. He slept in the cold and freezed, and then in the morning, he woke up and he was a big, beautiful swine.
Now I'm gonna do my Zoom class homework. Until next time, bye-bye.